I realized that my previous Vortex Bun tutorial is terrible, so I am redoing it because I know I can do it better and taking down the old video. So for the style you need your hair in a ponytail and several pins, quite a lot of pins. I of course love the Amish pins, and you can learn more about those at my link bit.ly/hairtoys. So, we are going to divide the hair into 3 sections. Take the first section, start twisting over the top of the ponytail holder, about halfway down here, and pin it and stop. Then you're going to take the second section, twist the same way, lift over that first one to halfway down, stop and pin. Then you're going to take the third section and do the same thing. Twist the same direction over the top of the other two to halfway down, stop, pin up here and here, and then pick back up the first section, twist, wrap around the outside, and for me that's the final one, but obviously I might keep going.
There's water in the grass.
Because Priya spilled it, I'll clean it up in a sec. Second section, twist, wrap around previous sections. For me that finishes it off, and the final one. I'm using a scrunchie in the middle, but obviously a hair elastic the same color as your hair is a better idea because it'll blend better and you can cover it over better, but I just happen to have that on hand. So twist, twist, twist. Wrap around the outside. Finish off. And there you have a vortex.